Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi and today's topic is a respiratory system. What is respiratory system? The respiratory system is a complex network of organs and tissues responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. It includes the nose, throat, trachea, bronchi, lungs. Here is a detailed information about the system. Nose and nasal cavity. The process of respiratory begins as air is inhaled through the nose. The nasal cavity filter and warm the moisture air before reach the lungs. Pharynx and larynx. The pharynx is also known as a throat. It connects the nasal cavity to the trachea. The larynx. Larynx is also called as a voice box, containing the vocal cords and help to produce the sound when air passes over them. Trachea and bronchi. The trachea, commonly known as the windpipe, carries the air from the larynx into the bronchi, with the branch into the small tube is called as a bronchioles. Lung and alveoli. The lungs are two spongy organs that house millions of tiny air sacs is also called as alveoli. Oxygen from the inhaled air diffuse into the bloodstream through the alveolar walls, while carbon dioxide move from the blood into the alveoli to exhale. Common respiratory illness is common cold, a viral infection that affect the upper respiratory tract cause symptoms like the runny nose and sneezing. Influenza, it's also flu. Another viral infection that affect the respiratory system causing fever, cough and body acne. Next is a pneumonia and the infection that inflame the air sacs in one or both lungs leading to the symptoms such as the fever, cough. Next is a bronchitis, inflammation of the bronchial tube often caused by the virus or the bacteria. Next is the asthma, a chronic condition where the airways become inflamed or narrow, leading to the difficulty in breathing. Next is the COPD, a progressive lungs disease that includes the chronic bronchi and chronic bronchitis and influencing characterized by reducing the airway and difficult in breathing. Next is a lung cancer, the uncontrolled growth of the abnormal cell in the lungs, often caused by the smoking exposed to the harmful substances. Next is a tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacteria infection that primarily affected to the lungs. It causes like the chest pain, cough. Proper care of a respiratory system involve maintaining the body hygiene, avoiding exposure of the pollutant and irritant, quit smoking, getting vaccinated. It's all about the respiratory system and its illness. Thank you.